Hi, this is Weekend Ms. Morgan with a little video about a possible idea about writing down homework. I said it was Weekend Miss Morgan because I'm kind of looking like a slob right now, but this is the time I found to make the video, so here it goes. It is October 31st, 2020, and happy Halloween. And I found that my students, some of them have difficulties maybe keeping up with the assigned work. We're in the hybrid format right now with some students being 100% remote, and I'm not sure how many students are writing down their assignments. And I know with my own eighth grader, not writing down assignments has made it harder at times for him to keep up with the assigned work. So I made this Google Doc. This format makes sense to me. It may not make sense to your child or you if you're a student watching this. But even if this was written on a whiteboard at home, it might work. I listed the subjects that a student has in my school in order alphabetically. And then my idea was that this one block would be for each day of the week. A student might want to put their subjects, if they always occur in the same order, might make more sense to write them in that order. But at my school, we have one schedule for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we have another schedule for Tuesday, Thursday. So I just did our subjects alphabetically. If someone was typing this, they may not, well, actually, if someone was printing this out and handwriting assignments, this might not be enough room to write the assignment, but I was just doing this as a model, and then a student or family should tweak it as needed. And so it's pretty straightforward and simple. I don't know, nothing too innovative or anything. I personally also I like to write things on calendars like this. If you were to print this out, it wouldn't be enough room to write each day's homework. But I like to look at calendars in this format for maybe longer term stuff, or I write in early release days or days off that my school has. And this website is printacalendar.com. And if I was to print it, then you would see it. It looks a little different than it does on the computer screen, but it looks like this. So it still wouldn't be enough room to write each day's homework, but it could be a helpful view. It arranges the information graphically as opposed to just a list. So it's just another thing to think about. That's all I can think of to say. So maybe this video gave you some ideas on writing down homework or recording homework. Maybe it didn't. Hopefully it was helpful in some way, and thanks for watching. Bye.